Dr. Taposh Kumar Pal, and today I am going to teach you how to use a TheraBand to strengthen the deltoid middle fiber. As we already learned different muscles and how to strengthen the particular muscles for using a TheraBand. So today's topic is to strengthen the deltoid middle fiber muscle. This deltoid middle fiber, as we already know, is the sole or a prime movers for the abduction of the shoulder joint. So it's important for us to strengthen the muscle in different cases, wherever the muscle is to be inhibited or wherever the muscle is to be weak. So today we will learn with other topics that how to strengthen this particular deltoid middle fiber muscle. So come, let us learn to strengthen the deltoid middle fiber. So before that, I want to request everyone to subscribe this channel and share among your friends so that you can learn all of the new topics, and we are going to teach you different aspects and different practical parts in the field of physiotherapy. Come, let us learn how to strengthen the muscle. Middle fiber or the abductors of the shoulder joint, we will learn that. Hold the TheraBand in this position and stand erect in an erect standing position. Just keep the TheraBand below your feet in this position. Just keep the TheraBand below your feet. And what I will do now, I will cross my hand. Using my right hand, I will hold the left side of the TheraBand, and using my left hand, I will be holding the right side of the TheraBand, just exactly in this same way. Now I will be standing in this position. Now what I will do, I will just try to abduct my bilateral shoulder girdle or the bilateral shoulder joint in this way, and slowly I will come down, and I will repeat it for 10 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to remember, some of the times the patients or the therapists, they used to do a mistake while doing the exercises, that they used to bend the elbow like this. So you need to remember, the time you will do the exercise, the elbow needed to be very much stable so that it will not flex, and in a 0 degrees of extension of the elbow, you need to do the abduction. This is for the bilateral shoulder girdle or the shoulder joint abductor muscle, that's the deltoid middle fiber, to strengthen. You can do the exercises unilaterally also. Now let us learn how I can do it is in a unilateral way. For the unilateral strengthening of the deltoid muscle, I will just hold the TheraBand from my left side, and I will just use my right hand to strengthen the muscle like this same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same way, if you want to do for the left hand, just stable your right hand and do for the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This exercise is very useful to strengthen the deltoid muscle whenever it is inhibited. So I expect everyone, those who are practicing over the patients, first they will practice it over the patients before you do the practice over the patient, or before you make the patient to do the exercise. First, you know you are strengthening the muscle or not. If the muscle is very much inhibited or the muscle is very much painful just because of some reason, you cannot do this resistance training exercise. So I expect everyone first assess the patient. If you understand that the muscle is really inhibited and the muscle is ready to do the strengthening exercises, you need to start using this TheraBand for that particular muscle. Thank you.